Welcome all of you. So in this video we will see how you can create Microsoft PPT from your Android mobile phone. I create my presentation also in the Pichai. At last I will show you my presentation. Let's take fast overview of presentation. Motivational successful engineers, corporate brands, Sundar Pichai, Alphabet, Bond, Education, Family, successful journey in Google. So let's get started. Welcome to Jadubaba Tech. Open Google Play Store. Go on search bar. Search for Microsoft PowerPoint. So this one you can see. Install it. Otherwise update and open your Microsoft PowerPoint in your Android phone. Now want to create your presentation on Microsoft PowerPoint. Go on plus sign. Wait for a while. Select whatever theme you want. There are the many themes. As you want, you can select any of these. So I will select lawn boardroom. Let's see how it's look like. So if you want to add title, you can double tap on this. So I will double tap and you can write your title. I write Jadubaba Tech over here. Now you can edit more by yourself also. Now let's see how you can create a new slide. So creating a new slide, go on home, go on insert and create a new slide by plus sign. Now you can see a new slide. Now how you can add a picture to it. So click on picture, photos and you can select whatever pic you want. Like I select programming meme. Follow us on Instagram for programming meme. Link in description. So you can adjust pic by yourself. Now just giving a title to it. Let's write programming memes. Not memes, only meme. It's depend on you. Whatever you want you can write in title. Now how you can add different things. Go on home, insert and here you can add links, shapes, text box, link, audio, table and different things. Let's create a new slide. Now you can do different things on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now you can add different animation to your presentation. Now let's look to my presentation on motivational successful engineer Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google and Alphabet. Let's move to first slide. Motivational successful engineer by Maanyaay Agarwal. This presentation is just an example I created for you and you can create better than this. So move to second slide. Top cooperative brands and CEO. So there are top cooperative brands Apple, Facebook, Microsoft, Google. On Google we have a name Sundar Pichai. So I create a presentation on him. Move to third slide then. Pichai Sundaram, known as Sundar Pichai, is an Indian American business executive. He is Chief Executive Officer of Alphabet Inc. Move to fourth slide then. Born on 10 June 1972, present age is 48. Citizenship United States. Education B.Tech, MS, MBA. CEO of Alphabet and Google. Move to fifth slide. About his family, father was electronic engineer named Raghurant Pichai. Mother was a stenographer and named Lakshmi. They belongs from middle class family. At last Sundar Pichai remember all the telephone number he dialed. Move to sixth slide. His success journey in Google. He joined Google in 2004. Gmail was launched in 2006. His starting project was Toolbar. Move to seventh slide. After the great success in Google, he get offer from Microsoft and Twitter to be a CEO of their company. Move to 8th slide. He also considered better CEO than Larry Page. In December 2019, in addition to his role as a CEO of Google, Sundar became a CEO of Google parent company, Alphabet. Create his loyalty with Google. So move to the ninth slide. Last slide is for thank you all of you. It's not for my presentation but to see my video till the end. Do not forget to like my video, subscribe Jadubaba Tech channel and press the bell icon so that you can watch my videos.